Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So today we are going to talk on very important topic. First, Supreme Court hearing is scheduled to happen today. We will talk about the case number and all and the state quota rules. There is a lot of clarity required in the case of state quota rules. There is a lot of confusion among the candidates because they have gone through this topic over a long time. But now I'll in this video I'll share you the clarity about it. We'll discuss about all each and every state, how is the rule and who are eligible for the state quota seats, whether it's government colleges or government quota in the private colleges. All the states, whether it's closed or open state. Okay, so please subscribe this channel and join our Telegram and WhatsApp group where you can find the links in the description of the video. In case you have planned to take our paid counseling guidance packages, the counseling has already started. The Gujarat registration is already going on, and subsequently, before the All India registration starts, some other states which are expected to release this notification for the counseling registration, like Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, maybe Kerala. Okay, so you can expect some more registration to be started because states are eligible to start the registration. Maybe Karnataka, because we saw in MBS the Karnataka completed first time before All India result also they published their result. Now coming to the point, the first thing is Supreme Court case. So in the previous court case which was heard on the 1st of September, the judges said that it is better that this case to be heard from the Supreme Court judge who gave the decision about the transparency. So he will have better person to hear this matter. So today it is scheduled. The case listed number is 52 and date as on today. So we will update as in when we get some update. So you need to subscribe this channel, or you can join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups to get an update. Coming to the state quota, let me give you some background. Why this matter came to the picture first of all this year? Because this year, before the counseling started for even MDS 2020 last session, okay, so the Supreme Court given judgment that there is a violation in the violation of the Supreme Court article, means constitutional article, and it should be given equal rights for everyone. In some of the states, the state quota benefit means reservation. When I say state quota benefit, it means reservation. 50% of the seats in the government colleges, and depending on the states, some percentage of the seat in the private college is reserved for the state quota. Okay, and who are eligible for the state quota? Not only those who have completed MBBS, but in some states, those who are having just domicile certificate, bona fide residence certificate, they are also eligible. Okay, there are many states. So Supreme Court said that those who are able to get the benefit just being the domicile of that state, being a resident of that state, should not be the case. So they declared a verdict that those who completed only MBBS from that state should be eligible for the state quota. Many have misunderstood the fact that there won't be any state quota. It is not the meaning of it. State quota will still continue. If there is no state quota, then there should be single counseling like NEET SS. But that is not the case. State quota is going to be there. Okay. And what was the verdict given by Supreme Court? That the state quota will only be applicable for MBBS from that state, is not going to get implemented from this year at least. Okay. How I am able to say? Because we have the proofs. The brochure is published in the state of Odisha. The registration has already started and the rules are published in the state of Gujarat. Kerala and Karnataka state also have published their brochure. In their brochure till now they do not have any kind of changes from the last year. Let me say, if you ask that, okay, they might bring up the changes on ad hoc basis. So let's talk about like the Gujarat already started the registration. Those who are having just domicile, not completed MBBS from Gujarat, based on the domicile, based on the birth certificate, or their whatever their eligibility criteria, 12th passing from Gujarat, if those candidates have already registered, will Supreme Court say that now you are not registered? So it clearly says that from this year, none of the changes brought up by Supreme Court will be applicable. So now let's discuss what is the final thing. So this is what I wanted to show with you. On the screen you can see the state left side. Second column is domicile candidate, means bona fide resident candidates. MBBS from other state, they have completed MBBS from other state and just having the bona fide domicile resident. So in case of Andhra Pradesh, some of the seats, okay, are still available for those who completed those who completed MBBS from other states but having the bona fide residence of Andhra Pradesh. Same goes with the state of Assam. Just having the domicile certificate of Assam will give you the eligibility to appear in the Assam state counseling to get the government colleges. There is no private colleges in Assam state. In the Bihar state, it was already implemented that those who completed MBBS, they can go for the state quota. So it is already streamlined with the Supreme Court judgment. State like Bihar, Jharkhand, and Maharashtra, then Telangana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. These states and one more, Rajasthan. These states are already streamlined. They are already following the verdict that was given. Okay, so there won't be any change in these states. Other states like Andhra Pradesh, in Chhattisgarh also, they are giving the benefit of state quota just based on the domicile certificate. When I say domicile certificate, it is the bona fide residence certificate that you need to get it from the revenue department or whatever the department it is applicable to in particular state. In the Gujarat also, they give the state quota to the domicile certificate, domicile holder candidates. In Haryana also, either you completed MBBS from there or having the residence certificate of Haryana, you are eligible for the state quota. So the double benefit they can get. If they completed it from the Karnataka, they are getting the state quota benefit of Karnataka at the same time of Haryana. So at the same time, they are able to use both the state quota benefit. In Himachal Pradesh also, just based on the domicile, you can get the state quota benefit. In Karnataka as well. Coming to Madhya Pradesh. In the Madhya Pradesh, if you are having domicile certificate and you are using the state quota benefit, then you can't use the state quota benefit in other state. Suppose you completed MBBS from Uttar Pradesh. So you are eligible for the state quota seats in Uttar Pradesh. At the same time, you are bona fide resident of Madhya Pradesh, then you can't have like a state quota in both the states. What Madhya Pradesh says that you have to give me an affidavit that you are not using the state quota in some other states if you are using the state quota benefit in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so that's very specific case. In Kerala, you are eligible for the state quota just based on the domicile. In Madhya Pradesh, you have to complete MBBS, then only you are eligible. Those who completed, or you should have completed your MBBS from any other government medical colleges through All India quota 15% counseling in NEET UG, very specific criteria. Odisha also allows the domicile holder candidates, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab also. Okay. In Rajasthan, the rule is very specific. In case, suppose you completed MBBS from other state, and you have the domicile certificate of Rajasthan, then you can't apply for the government colleges, but you can apply for the All India state government quota seat in the private colleges, and you will get the category benefit also. Okay, so that's a specific rule. In the state of Telangana, it's not applicable now. Earlier it was applicable. In Tripura, it's still applicable. In West Bengal also, based on domicile certificate, they can get the benefit of state quota. Now coming to the in-service. In some of the states, there are two segregation. In some of the states, the reservation is given to the in-service candidates. Like in Andhra Pradesh, 20% seats in the clinical and 30% seats in the non-clinical is reserved for in-service candidates. But on other side, in some other states, there the seats are not reserved. They are giving the bonus. Depending on the number of years you served as a medical officer, bonus is given. 1 year plus, less than 2 years, 10%, more than 2 years, 20%, more than 3 years, 30%. Okay. So who will decide like how many years you served? Okay, you have to fill those details during the filling up the application form, and accordingly it will be, the marks will be added, and when the state merit list is created, you will have the same rank, but your state merit will improve, because ultimately total marks uh, what you have got, okay, will be added up. So that weightage on marks, bonus marks, is given in the state of Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. In Gujarat, 50% seats in the diploma is reserved for in-service. In Haryana also, the weightage is given, and reservation is also there. Same is the case with Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand. In Karnataka, 30% seats is reserved. In Kerala, 10% seats. In MP, 30% seats reserved. Maharashtra, 25%. In Maharashtra, in just qualifying score, you can get good clinical seats in case of you come under in-service. In Odisha, 50%. And in state of Rajasthan, weightage is given there. In Punjab also weightage is given. In Tamil Nadu, 40% seats, and at the same time weightage is also given. That's why there is more benefit to in-service candidates in Tamil Nadu. Telangana also follows the same rule as Andhra Pradesh about the in-service candidates, and weightage for other states. Now coming to the private seats in the these states who are eligible for the private medical colleges, not state quota, management quota, or open quota. So in Andhra Pradesh, there is a Cat B. Cat B will have 25% of the total seats. Out of 25%, just 15% seats is given to the outsiders. Okay. In the state of Assam, no private seat. In Bihar, 100% seat is open. In Chhattisgarh, for the private seat, other candidates are open, but not for the 100%. In Gujarat is Close state. Haryana, there also the candidates from other state are eligible for the management quota on 100% management quota seat. Himachal Pradesh will also allow you 100% on the management quota seat. Jharkhand, no private medical colleges. In Karnataka, you are eligible for the open quota seats, institutional quota, that is also known as management quota, and NRI. In Kerala, other candidates are not allowed, is Close state. Madhya Pradesh, the priority is given to the MBBS candidates, then domicile, and then outsiders. And you can register in the first round, but the choice filling will start for you from the round 2. Okay, so those colleges like RD Gadi and all, they are having like list fee. Those colleges are filled up first before anybody else from the state, other state, get the opportunity. Coming to Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, for the NRI seats only, okay, for the NRI seats only, it is given to others, and for other seats like institutional quota, it is not given. In Odisha is Close state. Pondicherry, for management quota, others are given, and it has Christian minority and linguistic minority benefits. In the first round, those minority colleges won't be available. Only the Manakula Vinayagar will be available in the first round, and for the second round onwards, other colleges will be added up and available for the open candidates. In a state of Punjab, also only just 15% seats in others medical college is applicable for others. Rajasthan, all the management quota and all India quota, others are eligible, and it has very specific criteria. Those who qualify under category, they can apply it from the first round. Okay, so Rajasthan and West Bengal have these criteria. In Tamil Nadu, we can go for the management quota seat. In Telangana, you can go for the Cat B seat, and there is no segregation like 15% and 85% like Andhra Pradesh. In Tripura, no private medical college. UP has 100% seats open for everyone, and there is no state quota in UP. Uttarakhand, the management quota seat you can apply. West Bengal, the management quota seat and NRI seat you can apply. Okay, so I've given the figures and details about the NRI as the last column. In Kerala, only the parents, okay, who is NRI, OCI or PIO can apply for the NRI seats. Similarly, in Punjab, the first degree relatives of the native candidates can apply for the NRI. In Rajasthan, there is no NRI. And coming to Gujarat, only parents or the legal guardian can be eligible for the NRI. In case of Bihar, everyone is eligible. Okay, in Chhattisgarh also there is no limitation about the NRI. In Jharkhand, there is no NRI, no private seat. Okay, so that's how is the details about the state quota eligibility. Hope everyone is clear now, because I have been getting many calls. They have like so much misunderstanding that there is no state quota. If I explain them that you can get it seat from MP, they say that no, I am not eligible for the state quota. So you must have the clarity. There is no written documentation as on 2025 year which says that state quota rules which was passed by the Supreme Court is implemented in any of the states. Okay, Supreme Court didn't say that it has to get implemented in 2025. They said that it will be implemented, but it is the decision the government side that when they are comfortable to implement. It might take some time. Okay, and for sure this year there won't be any changes related to state quota rules. It will be same as the last year, and whatever the benefits you were able to get last year, you will be getting this year also. Hope it is clarified your video, and if it's so, please share with others so that it can help others also. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.